friends, today I'm going to demonstrate how to work with Microsoft Office Word. Yes, Microsoft Office Word is perhaps the most common document or page system used by not only a businessman or technical person or office guys, but it ranges from the common folks to each and everyone who are using computer or laptop. They use this document to prepare their reports, to prepare their dissertation or detailed report, to write a book. Most of the time people use Microsoft Office Word. So let's get started. So I have opened this Word document. So if you want to open, go to Start menu, click on All App. So all app will be visible. So most of the Microsoft Office document, they are available under the heading Microsoft Office. This one, Microsoft Office. All the document, all the application under Microsoft Office are which have been installed in your computer will be available here. You can access it from here. Even you can right click and pin to start, or you can send a shortcut to your desktop by opening the file location. Suppose I want to send a shortcut for this Word document, and go to Office Word, this one, click on right click, then go to more and open file location. So here is the shortcut. You can copy, you can paste it to your desktop. So here it is. So now you can open directly, or by clicking on this shortcut you can directly open Word file. So it is the document one, new Word file. So whenever you are working with Microsoft Word document, it is always you should save the document. So first of all, I will click on the save icon. So you can access save icon from here. You can click it and you can save it from here. So and there is a shortcut for saving file, ctrl+S. So if you are using Windows system, you can press ctrl+S, and for the Mac system you have command S. Alright, so let me save it on my, so it will ask you to place where you want to save your file. So I will be saving it on my desktop here. Alright, then I will give it a name, whatever name you want to give. Okay, so save. Alright, so now it has changed its name to demo. Okay, so always make it a habit to press ctrl+S while working with Word. So if it hangs in between, or if the document get closed, then your work would not be lost. So this is very important that you frequently press ctrl+S. So now I will demonstrate the various menu available in the Microsoft Word. So this is the home menu. Then this is the insert menu where most of the inserting function like inserting picture, clip art, table, Smartart, header, footer, text box, everything, symbol. So inserting most of the time. Okay, page layout. This is the page layout from where you can change the layout of the page like margin, orientation, size, column, line breaks, references. This is less frequently used uh, part of the tab of the Office MS Word. Here you can add text, update table, table of content, footnote, everything. You can manage reference, this kind of thing. Mailing, which is also not going to use. Review, if you are reviewing document, you want to make comment, spelling and grammar check. Then you want to have track changes, these kind of things. Usually the people who are dealing with the publication, uh, those people using this most of the time. View. Okay, let's go back to home. So this is the home tab where most of our functionality is available, and most of the time we are dealing with our home tab. So first of all, I will demonstrate how to zoom. So here it is the option for zooming in the right hand side corner. So you can drag and you can zoom, and either you can click here or here for negative, minus and positive sign. So if you click on minus sign, it will zoom out, and when you click on plus sign, it will zoom in, and zoom out. So this is okay. So I have written a first line on my Word document. Okay, suppose I want to increase the font size, then I can do it from here. I can change font size, I can change the type of font. So whenever you are moving your cursor on this font, it will show the kind of sentence or the kind of word it will look in that particular font. So you can change it from here. Okay, you can right click and copy, or you have a shortcut ctrl+C, and where you want to paste. So you can do it from here, or you can right click and paste, or you have a shortcut icon ctrl+V. So copy and paste. So whenever you are selecting particular line, this cut and copy will become available, otherwise it is not. See, whenever I am selecting this line, this is getting activated. Alright, so cut, copy and paste, these are very important useful command. So ctrl+C is for copy, P, ctrl+V is to paste, ctrl+X is to cut. So if you are cutting, then the original line will be removed from that place, ctrl+X, and you can move it to somewhere else by ctrl+V. Alright, so this is the thing. So suppose you want to bold this line and go to here, or you can type ctrl+B, so it will become bold. Suppose you want it italic, so I, ctrl+B is for bolding, ctrl+I is for italic, and if you want underline, you can click underline. You want to strike out, one small letter, one big. Okay, so when you want to square, you just select it and click on this square, so it will become square. You want want it below, then you can do it from here. Alright, then this is my sentence. I want it in sentence case. Let me write another line. I want all in uppercase, then I can click here, sentence case. I want all uppercase, then from here, lowercase, from here, toggle case, from here, capitalize each word. So this kind of thing can be done from here. And increasing font size, decreasing font size can be done from here. This is increase font size, this is decrease font size. In clear formatting, select it, click on clear formatting. So all the formatting would be clear. You can also click on this icon and it will open the small another window where you can see the various options available, which are not given here, but the detailed options are given in this new window. See character spacing, font, everything. Alright, so suppose I want to highlight this, then I can go from here, no color to color, so it is will have highlighted. Suppose I want to reverse it, no color. So suppose I have given this color and I want to reverse this, you can press ctrl+Z always. So this is very handy and useful function, ctrl+Z to reverse the changes you made. Alright, so suppose I want to highlight this font other than the whole sentence, then I can change the font color through this. This is black, I can change. It is visible on the screen whenever you changing it. So let me make it this one. Alright, so this you can do from the font. So clipboard, we have seen font. Now we will see the paragraph option. What you can do with the help of paragraph. So suppose you want a bullets point, select all, click on this. So it is having different option, different kind of bullets, sign, symbol you can use. Let me select this one. Alright, suppose you don't want this, but you want numbers, you can go to numbers, the type of number you can give it. So these are the style which are available for the bulletin. Then if you are typing a heading, subheading, then another heading, so you can use this format, and you can have a multiple tab, new line, another line, and another line. So select this, select this option. See, so it has given a line. So this kind of thing you can do it in the paragraph option. Alright, so suppose you want to open new document, then you can type, you can press ctrl+N and it will create a new document. So now we are having a new two document. One is the one we are working, which is saved, and another one is the I just created. So you see this document has not been saved, so this icon is active. So press ctrl+S. So it would be better to follow along with me and practice it so that you can remember. So press ctrl+S So now it has been saved. Okay, now what I want to do, okay, I want to demonstrate the indent function. So put your cursor the last line, the last sentence you have typed, and click on this indent. So click on, select the sentence, click on this indent on the right side, so it will give you indent. Press on this side, so it will space or indent for. You can also do it with the help of the tab key on your keyboard. Tab key on your keyboard. Tab key. Ctrl+Z. You can either use this command or you can use tab key. Alright. Okay, so I have selected the text and I want to alphabetize it. Then it will ask me whether you want ascending or descending. Okay, I will select yes. It's not a useful function. This will show a paragraph mark. You can hide it or you can show it. These are the paragraph marks, new paragraph. Okay, this is important function you will be using. So we have this document, right? So if you want it to be aligned to right, then click on this. If you want it on center, click this. If you want it on left side, click this icon, paragraph, in the paragraph tab. If you want to justify, click on justify. Click on justify. So the all line will be spread in a optimal way that your document will look nice. Alright, so this is the line spacing function property. So we have selected our paragraph and we want to check the amount of space we are using or amount of space we want to give. So let me select 1.5. See, it has increased. The space between this line is increased. Let me give 3. Wow, so see, so it has given now so much space. Let me again make it to 1. So this is the line spacing. Alright, so okay, then this is the shading or color you want to give to your paragraph. So let me select this yellow. Alright, so it has given a shade of yellow to my paragraph. So this is different than this font option, because whenever you are using this function, no color, it will give a highlight to paragraph, but when you are using this function, it will only highlight the text, not the whole paragraph. Suppose I am selecting this text and giving okay, see, so it has highlighted the only text, but let me undo this thing, no color. But when I selecting this paragraph and using this function, it will highlight the whole paragraph. So that is the difference. Okay. Okay, if you want to remove it, just select that paragraph or part and select no color. Alright, so this one is pretty nice and handy. Okay, you want to give top border, you want to give all border. So select paragraph and give it a border in the table format. Then at that time you can select this. Else you can select all and from this no border. Alright. So this is paragraph, most of the handy function which we are using frequently. You can click on paragraph to see further which are the other options available from here by clicking on this icon. Alright, then there is a style tab. This one, style tab. What you can do, so suppose there is a title of my document or my work. So just keep cursor at the beginning or the end and check the appearance of your title. What kind of title or what particular style you want with your title, that you can select from here. So as you are moving your cursor, it will show you a different style, and when you press this button, it will show you another available style in the whole document or the application. Okay, so I want to keep which one I should keep. This one, title. So this looks pretty cool. Alright, so this is the style. Okay, then change style set, default black and white, elegant, distinctive, fancy, manuscript, modern, traditional. So you can change your style set from here. Let me keep this. Alright, so you can change color. See, so you move your cursor and whatever style you prefer, just select it. So it is quite comfortable and handy to work with the Microsoft Office Word, because it is in the market since long and it has evolved to a very advanced version where there are most of the functionality and it is very easy to use kind of app. Okay, then this is also important functionality, editing. So find, suppose I want to find some word, so I can press ctrl+F, find, where the small telescope has been shown, or you can press ctrl+F. So try to learn this shortcut because they are very handy and you are frequently or spending most of the time on your Word document writing something, then it is recommended that you learn this kind of shortcut. And to learn shortcut, you can just move your cursor, your mouse on that particular icon, and it will show you a shortcut. So ctrl+F. So you can work fast by using shortcut. So ctrl+F. This tab will open. Whatever you want to find, just type, because when there is a large document having 200, 250 or 1000 pages and you want to find some word, then it will be very handy command. Control, I want to find control. So click on find next. So it will show you the words available or the word you want to find. Okay, so suppose I want to replace this word. So I could able to find those words, and now I just want to replace it. So you can click on replace and you can replace it with the another word. For example, so you can replace word by word, or you can at once you can replace it by clicking replace all. So let me first demonstrate the find next. So this one word I can replace, or I can click replace all. So all the word has been replaced. So all word has been replaced. Okay, then you can do control Z. Alright, so this is the find and replace function, and this one is the select. Okay, so select all. So control L will select the all paragraph of the whole document. You can click backspace and you can delete. Then control Z. So when you want to select the whole document and you want to clean it. So let me clean our canvas by selecting all, and you can cut, copy, paste. These are the things available when you select the control all the whole document. Okay, I just want to delete it, so backspace. Okay, so we have a clean slate now. So this is the regarding the home menu. Let us move further. Another important thing I want to highlight here is this the page count and the words available here. So for example, suppose I am writing something. Alright, so how many words? 2 words. So there are 2 words here. So it shows the word count here. Language, you can change language from here by clicking on this language icon. Alright, okay, then this ribbon also shows the print layout. Click on the print layout, click on this tab, and it will show like a book. Okay, how to go back from here? You can close it from here to go back to your. Then this is the web layout. This is the web layout. This is another outline. This is a draft. This is our normal view. So most of the time we will be working in this print layout. Alright, so now we will move towards the insert tab. So here in this upper ribbon there are option of saving, and another option is undo and redo. So Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y. So if I am deleting this, then I can do Ctrl Z. Okay, then Ctrl Y is moving further. Alright, and which are the other options available? Okay, publish, print. I can print, quick print. I can see print preview. So this is the print preview, how my document will look while printing, and you can set the many printing option from here. Like you can set margin from here, orientation, size, letter. You can set from the print preview. Save as. So you can, when you will save, nothing will happen because we have already saved. So how about the save as? So save as, this is the demo file, but I want to save it as something else, as a Word template or older document, other format. Then I will use save as. So let me demonstrate this. Save as, other format. So which are the other format available? Plain text. Okay, I will select plain text, demo, new on my desktop. So save. Okay. Alright, then cover page. You can select cover page from here. There are various nice format it has given, which you can use to create a cover page for your document. So this is my cover page, and this one is the next page. Alright, so cover page. Suppose you want to enter table. So you can either select from here. You can select here, so it will also show you the kind of table you are preparing. This is very handy and interactive. Suppose I want to prepare a 2 by 2 table, or 3 by 3 table, or 3 by 3. Then I can do it from here. So I have created table. Insert option we are discussing. Okay, so in table also there are multiple options. Then insert table, so it will open a tab where you can specify number of column, number of row, and fixed column width or auto fit to content, auto fit to window. So I am when you are working with the tables with multiple columns and you don't know the amount of content which needs to be fitted, then you can select auto fit to content. So it will open these kind of things, and whenever you are typing in it, it will occupy the space available with its size. See, so it will occupy the available space as per its size. So this is particularly very helpful. Suppose you want to add row while typing, just click tab. Click, press tab, and it will give you another row. So keep on pressing it. So it will increase the numbers of row. Okay, so we are in insert menu, table, draw table. You can also change the format. You can draw table. Suppose I want to draw another I can do it from here. I can draw table by using the draw table option. Alright, select all, delete. Select all and delete. Okay, so that is table. Suppose you want to insert picture, click. Put your cursor where you want to insert picture. Then click on picture file. Select. So this is the picture I want to insert. So this is the picture I have inserted. But when I want to move it, it will not move. So why it is happening? Because there are certain options which you need to be selected to make it happen, to move it this one. So text wrapping. So this option will help you to move your image. So in line with text, square, tight, behind, in front of text. So when you select in front of text, it would be easy for you to move it. Alright, so text wrapping I have selected in front of text. You can put it behind text, top and bottom, through. Alright, so let me put some text so that I can demonstrate. Sorry for my spelling mistakes. So this is the text, and here I want to insert my go to insert picture, insert, delete the older one. Okay, so this is the option. Okay, and we have a picture tool, in line with text, square, then behind text, through text. This is the through text. In front of text. So this is the in front of text, that is why the text is hidden behind. And behind the text, So the text will appear here and you can move your apple. Alright, so this is regarding the inserting image. Then from in the insert tab, another option is the clip art. So when you click on clip art, various clip art would be available here. When you are preparing a report or some presentation, at that time this clip art would be very helpful. Okay, so when I click on go, the all available clip art would be set. So suppose I want to insert this nice office logo or clip art, I can do that. I can insert this, I can insert Eiffel Tower. You have to click on go. Alright, so clip art shape. Then you can insert numerous shapes available in the office word. It ranges from the text box, from the line, shape, cursor, so these are the shapes available. Cursor, erase, curve. So these are the all options available. You can play along. Okay, then if you want to draw some chart, Smartart, you want to show some process cycle, then you can use this. So you can write here nice process. So this kind of process thing you want to show, you can do that. And always when you are inserting something, it will open or it will highlight another menu from where you can do a lot of things, like you can change shape, its layout, its color, everything. So this Microsoft Office Word is a kind of amazing thing. It's an amazing document and having a various cool functionality. So you have to dig deeper so that you can learn what else it can do. See format, I can even change format. See, lot and lots of options available. Go back to insert, save chart. So we haven't seen chart option yet. Alright, so chart, you can insert chart whenever you are selecting a chart. Suppose you want to insert a pie diagram, select it, click OK. So it will open another window where you have to enter your data. So once you enter your data, then it will show you this nice chart. And as I said, it will always open another, it will highlight or activate another toolbox. It's a chart tool, layout, format, design. So chart tool, you can set the color, style, everything. This pretty handy and is cool feature. Alright, so we are done with the insert function, and in insert function illustration, let us move. Let me clear the window page. Let me clear the page. Alright, so in insert menu, now we are moving further towards the header, footer and page number. So header, header is something which is appearing before your original document or initial document. So when I click on header, the original typing will deactivate and this header will get activated. So header is kind of, you can write some note, asterisk, footnote, or most of the time you are writing your identity. For example, you are writing like your institute name, because whatever you will write here, it will appear on all the page. Like your email ID, your mobile number, or your contact detail, you can write it here. Either as a, so now this our document is activated and the header is deactivated. So you double click on this header and it will again get activated. And these are the formatting option available for the header, footer, and page number and everything. Different, odd, and even pages, so document, text, previous section, next section, this kind of thing. Close it. Okay, so footer is also similar. So whatever you have entered in header, the same thing you can use it as a footer. Alright, then page number. Where you want to put your page number. Top of the page, bottom of the page, page margin, current position, or format page number, remove page number. So I want to put it as a bottom of the page. I usually like this style. Alright, so it has given this style. So close. So whenever you are entering a new page, it will automatically appear this page number. See, this page number. Alright, so page number. Alright, then this option, text box. So when you click on text box, it will ask you to choose which kind of or style of text box you want to select. So if you are not sure, then you can put simple text box. You can write whatever you want to write and you can customize it. Okay, you can minimize, you can move wherever you want to put. Okay, text box, like I want to paste my photograph here, then I can select it from insert picture, I can select photograph, insert, then I can resize it and customize it. Alright, so text box, then quick parts, not of much, word art. This is you can use, for example, my name is, so what is word art? Suppose you want to point some word art or style, then it will give you that word style. See, you can beautify it. Okay, then drop case. Okay, this is it's very much important. You might have observed this thing in newspaper. They write like the Times of India reported that currently it is increasing and people are eating meat to and eat need and blah 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 blah. Okay, alright, so just put your cursor here and select drop margin. So this is a drop case. Now you can whatever you want to write, it will you will be able to write. And when the drop case is all over, it will again start from here. So it will go a nice newspaper like style. Then this is the signature line. You can add signature line. So this is a signature line. It has added. Date and time you can insert. So you can select format. You can place a date. Put the cursor where you want to place it. An object, you can select import object from outside or from inside, create from the file. Okay, you can insert equation. So this is the equation, because you cannot type equation, it will not go as you wished for. So it is better to use this symbol icon or symbol tab equation, and you can write in equation. Suppose you want to write a symbol, suppose you want to insert a symbol, then you can do it from here. It's a pound, dollar, euro. More, click on more symbol. Alright, and it is having most of the symbols available here. Basic Latin to combining diacritical marks, special character. So copyright. So copyright by you. So these are the symbol you can insert from here. Alright, then page layout. Page layout is another important thing you will be needing or you will be working. So page layout, theme, this is the theme. If you're writing, you can choose a theme. You can change color, you can change effect. Okay, this one, this is not much of importance, but this one is very important. Page setup. So you can set your margin narrow. See, narrow margin. Right. So suppose I select moderate wide this margin, then it has again receded back. Suppose I select this normals. So play along or play with your document, you will learn a lot. Orientation. Currently it is a, let me show you orientation. Currently it is a, this is known as the portrait. It's known as the portrait or vertical. As soon as I change orientation to landscape, it will become landscape. This is known as the landscape or the horizontal orientation. Okay, size, letter, tabloid. Most of the time you will be working in A4 size of paper, that your usual printing paper, A4 size, that you are getting your print from the print guide. All those documents are of A4 size most of the time, and letter type is smaller than this A4 size. So be careful while printing or while writing something. Most of the time you will be working with the A4. Alright, now what is code? Alright, so suppose I have these three sentences. I want to put it in a column. So I can keep it 2. I can keep 3 left, right. So this is how I can format my document to save, to utilize this space, the right hand side or left hand side space. Page break we have seen it. I would not be using as a beginner. So I will demonstrate this thing in another video. Page setup and page breaks, how to give numbers to different numbers and format to certain sections of your report. Suppose I want no page number on my cover page and a few initial page, and later from third or fourth page I want as a Roman numbers as a page number. Then later I want a different pattern of page number. Then I can do it with the page breaks. Watermark. So you can have watermark confidential. So this is the watermark. Page color. You can change the page color. Page border. This is a cool feature. You want to give a page border, then you can select it and you can give a page border, nice page border. It's important when you are writing a report. Give shadow, you can customize it. Alright. Then indent again. Indent is the same thing. The amount of space you want to give between your the same line. So example, I want to give here a indent of 9. So I have given it. Alright, then what else? Position alignment. So alignment is useful when you have inserted something, else it will not be activated. Okay, so here. So this is the alignment. So align to margin, align to page. Alright, so I have selected align to left, align to center, align to top. So this is to top, align to middle, distribute horizontally, rotate. No rotation available. So when there is a text box, this option will activate, otherwise not. And the option of like picture, let me select picture inside. Okay, alright, so see, you can rotate your picture, rotate 90. Alright, then what else? Position in the paper where you want, bottom, center bottom, left bottom, right bottom, middle. So this kind of thing. Bring to front, send to back. Okay, what is this thing? Suppose I have my text box here. So now it is in front of text. So I want to send it to back. Send to back. Send behind the text. So now it is behind the text. Text wrapping I already discussed through edit, wrap point. Alignment I already demonstrated. Rotation also. Height and width. You can select and you can check what is happening. So this is over about the insert menu, page layout. So today we discuss the home, insert and page layout. In another part we will discuss the rest of the option: reference, mailing, review, view and formatting. Thank you. See you in the next video really very soon. Don't forget to save your document.